Ooh, a parcel, a parcel. I love parcels. I wonder, I just hope it is. Yes, it probably is. I go to the door now. Hello there everybody, and today I am here with a Lego haul from Shop at Home. Yeah, so I know what it should be, but let's just open it up and see. Love these boxes. They're great for packing stuff and sending stuff to other people too, because no printing on them, you know, it's so plain, it's great. Okay, so let's open it up. We've already Cloroxed the box off because of COVID and that, just to be safe. Lots of the ear stuff. Okay, so, alright. And there's stuff there. There is the burrow. Yes, that's what we ordered. We ordered the burrow because it finally came back in out of stock into back order, and we were able to get that. So, because we got that, we were able to get the free Harry Potter Book of Monsters. That's a bonus. And also, if you spent over 75, I think it was 75 or 85, you got the Year of the Ox. So we got that. We got the free Year of the Ox kit, which is cool. And we also got the freebie flower and chocolate box that was the Valentine's Day promotion. And it's a poly bag, so that looks pretty cool too. So that's that part of the haul. Part 2 is coming up. I was at the local drugstore yesterday. They never really sold Lego before, and they had 2 sets come in. Well, I collect points there, so you know what? I grabbed them both. Didn't care about the price. The points were paying for them. Didn't pay a cent for them, so that was fantastic. I know this is like a junior set or a 4+, so it's not the greatest build, but it's another snow speeder for the Hoth display. And we got the Creator Dinosaur 3-in-1 set. Not sure what part we'll build, but we'll use that for the Flintstones. So, all in all, that's the haul. Talk to you guys later in the next video. Thanks for watching the haul, and I'll see you again soon. Peace out. Hey, if you want to see more of my Lego theme park or do-it-yourself tips and tricks, check out my other videos.